In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation by using Adobe's Animate from Audio. Adobe Express has launched a new animation platform called Animate from Audio. This is a revolutionary tool that allows users to create sophisticated talking animation segments from audio files. I have used Google Cloud Text-to-Speech as a voice. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech enables developers to synthesize natural-sounding speech with 100+ voices, available in multiple languages and variants. It applies DeepMind's groundbreaking research in WaveNet and Google's powerful neural networks to deliver the highest fidelity possible. As an easy-to-use API, you can create lifelike interactions with your users, across many applications and devices. Animate from Audio is very simple and easy to use. We can select a character, select a background, select a screen size, and either record audio or import an audio file. Then Animate from Audio will take over, and automatically create a lip-sync animation along with matching body motions. I have used a lot of animation applications until today, and I can confirm this is the easiest one that I have used so far. Please click this button to record your own voice, or import a pre-recorded audio file. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.